This video is all about unlocking NVMe limits and boosting FPS by applying powerful Windows tweaks for your SSD. If you're using a fast NVMe drive and noticing micro stutters, slow loading, or inconsistent performance in games, this video will show you how to get the most out of your storage. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive in. So guys, the first step to fixing NVMe limits and boosting FPS is optimizing your NVMe SSD by turning off storage write cache buffer flushing. On high-speed NVMe drives, Windows' default behavior can occasionally interrupt write operations, causing small stutters or pauses, especially in open-world games or titles with large textures. To implement this tweak, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand the Disk Drive section and locate your NVMe SSD. Double-click it to open Properties. Then go to the Policies tab, where all write caching settings are managed. First, ensure that write caching on the device is enabled. Next, uncheck Turn off Windows write cache buffer flushing on the device. Then hit OK to apply the change. This adjustment lets your NVMe drive handle write operations more efficiently, preventing Windows from forcing unnecessary flushes. The result is smoother level loading, reduced micro stutters during fast movement, and overall, more consistent gameplay performance. For the best results, make sure your NVMe firmware is up to date, as this can further enhance stability and performance. Now guys, we'll fine-tune hidden Windows indexing policies using the Group Policy Editor. This reduces background indexing, lowers unnecessary I/O load, and prevents small stutters, especially on fast NVMe drives. By limiting indexing, Windows focuses on real-time game data instead of background scans. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing Group Policy Editor, and selecting Edit Group Policy. In the editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Search. All the tweaks we need are in this section, so there's no need to jump between menus. First, find Allow Indexing of Encrypted Files. Double-click it, set it to Disabled, and click Apply, then OK. This stops Windows from indexing encrypted files, which provides no benefit for gaming, but can trigger unnecessary NVMe activity. Next, locate Do Not Allow Locations on Removable Drives to be added to libraries. Open it, set it to Enabled, and apply the change. This prevents Windows from scanning external drives, reducing random background I/O, and keeping your NVMe usage focused. Finally, open Prevent Indexing when running on battery power, set it to Enabled, and confirm. Even on desktops, this ensures Windows doesn't dynamically adjust indexing based on power states, helping maintain consistent performance. After applying all three policies, close the Group Policy Editor and restart your PC. Once restarted, Windows runs with lower indexing overhead, letting your NVMe drive concentrate on game streaming and loading. The result is smoother gameplay, faster level transitions, and fewer background performance drops. Now guys, if you're struggling with lag or high ping in your games, Gear Up Booster is the ultimate fix. Here's how it works. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Alright guys, another powerful way to fix NVMe limits and boost FPS is by adjusting a key registry setting that helps Windows manage NVMe storage more efficiently, directly reducing microstutters and improving loading times in games. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing Registry Editor, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. When the permission prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Once the registry editor opens, copy the exact registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar at the top. Then press Enter to jump straight to the correct location. Inside this section, locate the entry called LargeSystemCache. Double-click it, change the value to 1, and click OK. This allows Windows to prioritize system caching in a way that benefits high-speed NVMe drives, helping games load textures and assets more smoothly while reducing sudden stutters. Next, find the entry named Disable Paging Executive. Double-click it, set its value to 1, and confirm by clicking OK. Enabling this ensures that the page file is cleared on shutdown, preventing memory clutter and keeping both your RAM and NVMe drive performing consistently, even during long gaming sessions. After applying both changes, close the registry editor and restart your PC. Once rebooted, Windows will handle your NVMe drive more efficiently, delivering smoother gameplay, faster load times, and more consistent FPS. In the next step, guys, we will disable NTFS last access time, a hidden I/O operation that can create unnecessary background disk activity and micro delays, especially on fast NVMe drives. Turning this off reduces hidden storage overhead, allowing your SSD to focus fully on game data. Start by opening Command Prompt with administrator privileges. Press Windows, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, copy the exact CMD command from the description and paste it here. Then press Enter. After running the command, you should see a confirmation message stating that the setting has been updated successfully. This tells Windows to stop recording last access timestamps on NTFS drives, lowering unnecessary disk writes and keeping your NVMe drive free from extra background tasks that could cause microstutters during gameplay. Once complete, close Command Prompt and restart your PC to ensure the change is fully applied across the system. Alright guys, the next step is to turn off scheduled optimization for your NVMe SSD. This is a background maintenance task that Windows runs automatically, but on high-speed NVMe drives, it can sometimes cause microstutters or brief slowdowns during gaming sessions. To do this, press the Windows key and type defragment and optimize drives. Then, open the app. In the window that appears, locate your NVMe drive in the list, select it, and click Change Settings. In the Scheduled Optimization window, uncheck Run on a Schedule, Recommended, to completely disable automatic optimization for this drive. Click OK to save your changes and close the tool. With Scheduled Optimization turned off, your NVMe drive won't trigger background trim or maintenance tasks while gaming, which helps prevent sudden microstutters, improves loading times, and ensures consistently low latency. You can still manually run optimization occasionally if needed, but keeping it disabled during gameplay provides the smoothest performance and lets your NVMe operate at its full potential. That's it for fixing NVMe limits and boosting FPS. Try these tweaks and feel the difference in your games. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more performance tips.